Lots of ingredients in our weekly weather forecast. Elise Finch is over in the Weather Center, and it looks like at least some of these ingredients are better than the ones we had sprinkled in this weekend.
I know. Saturday was just brutal. It really was. It was dangerous in terms of the rain that we saw and also the flooding. So we are talking about some really significant weather is what we had on Saturday. So a lot of flooding out there. So headlines, we still have a risk to see some shower or thunderstorm activity. We do have a warm-up coming in the week ahead. As far as any relief from the rain, from the humidity, well, it depends on what you consider relief. 84 degrees, that was our high temperature today. We hit that just after 1 o'clock this afternoon, so that actually put us 1 degree above what we consider normal for this day of the year. So things ended up being a little bit nicer, got a little bit more sunshine out there for most locations. 97 degrees is the record. We set that back in 1944. Clearly, that record is safe for another year. As far as our chances for rain, well, we keep bringing them down. That's the good news for both your Monday and your Tuesday, but still Monday a chance for some scattered storms out there, as well as Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday now look dry, so that's good. And then a slight chance that we could see some additional showers popping back up on your Friday. But overall, we've had to bring those rain chances down just a little bit, so that's helpful. The humidity, now that's something we'd like to bring down, but as we start off your Monday, we will see those dew points back into the 70s, which we really consider to be oppressive, and just a little bit better than that on Tuesday. Wednesday, still feeling it, so still a little muggy on your Wednesday, but better. Definitely going to be a better feel for Wednesday. So take a look. Here's your VORTEX satellite and radar. We had a little bit of activity firing up here into western New Jersey, but that has dissipated. Also in the lower Hudson Valley, had a couple cells here, also kind of starting to dissipate. So very widely scattered. Just a handful of folks this evening seeing some of that rain. Here is the bigger picture, which shows a lot of activity as well to our south. Of course, that makes sense. That's where the stationary front is. Area of low pressure, several impulses riding along that frontal boundary. We do have another front that is draped just across our area, so it has also been a focal point for a lot of activity. But today, with a slightly drier air mass in place, a lot of people just had a much better day. So as we turn on your futurecast starting tonight, you'll notice that, yeah, we have at least a chance to see some thunderstorms developing into New Jersey tonight. We start out the day tomorrow. We've got the clouds, the fog, and yeah, some drizzle and some rain out there. Now, what was looking like a very impressive, kind of a stormy Monday evening commute, it now looks like those storms are tracking farther west. Not as much of our issue. I would say, just to be on the safe side, prepare that any of these storms that develop here could actually hold together and push across the area. Right now, it looks like they kind of fizzle out. And they might, but just be prepared that you could see some wet weather, some stormy weather, especially as we head into your Monday evening commute. Flood warning remains at the Passaic River at Pine Brook. Again, all that rain, swollen rivers, so that becomes an issue. Coastal flooding also an issue there. Some locations are seeing anywhere from ½ a foot to 2 feet of inundation above ground level. So a lot going on, and a lot of this is residual from yesterday's rain and for some people from today's rain. Tomorrow, warm and humid, 82 degrees, could see some strong storms. Temps above normal over the next 6 to 10 days. So take a look at your 7 day. This is how it plays out. 82 for your Monday. Could see some storms. Tuesday, 85 degrees and still damp. Wednesday, Thursday looking dry but hot. And then Friday also hot. Could see some pop-up showers or thunderstorms. And that's the same as we head into the weekend. Overall, it's not a bad forecast. It's actually looking a little bit better than it was, say, yesterday.
Good. That's the bright side.
Okay.
Thanks, Elise.